Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most innovative approaches to scaling businesses in today's digital age, the growth hacking framework. Whether you're a startup founder, an entrepreneur, or simply curious about how companies skyrocket their growth, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the key elements of this framework, explore its core principles, and show you how it can lead to rapid and sustainable growth. Let's begin by asking, what exactly is growth hacking? At its core, growth hacking is all about rapid experimentation across marketing channels and product development. It's a data-driven, creative approach that bypasses traditional marketing strategies to discover the most efficient ways to grow a business. Unlike conventional marketing, which often relies on long-term campaigns and massive budgets, growth hacking is nimble, agile, and relentlessly focused on performance. The growth hacking framework starts with setting clear, measurable goals. Think of these goals as the North Star of your growth journey. Before you dive into experiments, you need to know what success looks like for your business. Are you aiming to increase user sign-ups, drive more revenue, or boost engagement? By establishing specific objectives, you can tailor your experiments to meet these targets, ensuring that every action is aligned with your overall mission. Once your goals are defined, the next step is to understand your audience like never before. This isn't just about demographics or basic market research. It's about diving deep into the behaviors, preferences, and pain points of your users. By leveraging data analytics and user feedback, you can identify key opportunities to improve your product or service. This detailed customer insight is what enables you to craft tailored strategies that resonate with your audience and drive meaningful results. Now that you know who you're targeting and what you're aiming for, it's time to develop a hypothesis. In the growth hacking world, every idea starts with a hypothesis, a clear, testable statement about how a specific change will impact your growth metrics. For example, you might hypothesize that simplifying your onboarding process will increase user retention. With a well-defined hypothesis in place, you're ready to design experiments to test your assumptions. Experimentation is the engine that drives growth hacking. It's all about running controlled tests, measuring the outcomes, and iterating quickly based on what you learn. This process is similar to the scientific method. Plan, test, observe, and refine. Each experiment, whether it's an A/B test on your landing page or a new social media campaign, provides invaluable insights. The faster you can test and learn, the more quickly you can scale successful strategies and ditch the ones that don't work. A critical part of this framework is the use of data. Growth hackers live and breathe data. Every experiment is tracked meticulously, using key performance indicators that align with your overall objectives. Data helps you understand what's working and what isn't, allowing you to pivot your strategy in real time. Whether you're monitoring conversion rates, user engagement, or revenue growth, these metrics provide the feedback loop necessary for continuous improvement. While experimentation and data are essential, creativity is the secret sauce that sets growth hacking apart. Traditional marketing often follows a set playbook, but growth hacking encourages you to think outside the box. It's about leveraging unconventional tactics, viral loops, referral programs, content marketing, and even partnerships that can exponentially boost your reach without breaking the bank. This creative approach often leads to surprising breakthroughs and innovative solutions that traditional strategies might overlook. Sustainability is another cornerstone of the growth hacking framework. It's not enough to achieve a quick spike in growth. The goal is to build a foundation that supports long-term success. Sustainable growth means creating a loyal user base, ensuring that your customer acquisition strategies are repeatable and building a product that continuously delivers value. By focusing on sustainable practices, you ensure that every hack you implement contributes to a robust, scalable business model. Technology plays a huge role in enabling growth hacking strategies. From advanced analytics platforms to automation tools, the right technology can streamline your experiments and amplify your results. With these tools at your fingertips, you can gather real-time data, automate routine tasks, and free up more time to focus on creative problem-solving. In essence, technology serves as both the fuel and the compass that guides your growth initiatives. Before we wrap up, let's recap the essential elements of the growth hacking framework. First, set clear and measurable goals that serve as your guiding star. Second, dive deep into understanding your audience to uncover hidden opportunities. Third, develop a solid hypothesis for every experiment. Fourth, run controlled tests and leverage data to continuously refine your strategy. Fifth, embrace creative and unconventional tactics that push beyond traditional marketing. And finally, focus on sustainability to ensure that every hack contributes to long-term growth. In today's fast-paced business world, the growth hacking framework isn't just an option, it's a necessity. By blending data, creativity, and rapid experimentation, you can transform the way you approach growth and position your business for success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, this framework provides a roadmap to achieving rapid and sustainable growth. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the growth hacking framework. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep experimenting, stay creative, and drive your growth forward. Visit our website at toolthinker.com to discover how framework thinking can empower your business, career, and personal growth